Welcome friends to Super Sahelia. Today I'll show you how colostrum is made from cow milk. As you can see, this is cow milk which looks as normal as a regular milk, but it is the first milk of the cow after the delivery of calf. It has a lot of protein, calcium and other minerals in it. So I'll show you how to make colostrum from it. For making colostrum from cow milk, you have to just stir it, and continuously you have to stir this milk till it becomes warm and when it starts boiling. This is almost 1 liter of milk. The milk is almost started boiling, and see, this is the protein inside this first cow milk. It is a real fact that whenever there is a protein in any content and if you boil it, that starts to coagulate, lumps are formed. So this is the protein part in the cow's milk. It is colostrum. It is very healthy for kids, adults having an allergy problem, having lower immunity, and even it is very good for athletes because it is high content of protein not found in any of the substance. So we'll still boil it and we'll still get protein from this. As you can see, it has started boiling completely, and you can also see more of this protein has started coagulating, and until this whole of this protein gets together, we'll still have to boil it again for a longer time. But during boiling you have to continuously stir it so that it becomes a very smooth protein. By continuous stirring, this has come out to be a whole milk form. This is the whole protein. As you can see, the 1 liter milk is converted into full protein, and it is a colostrum. You can see the color has also changed. It has become little light yellow. See, it is because of the cow milk's property. It is yellow in color. See, this is almost ready. And you can eat like this also, or you can add sugar and make peda. Sugar. See, I have added half cup of sugar in it, and almost the peda is ready. Now you can also enjoy the recipe of peda. See, from 1 liter only this much has come out. So I am spreading it in a small dish. Then we can cut it like burfi and enjoy, since it is very healthy and you can get only once in a year. So please enjoy this recipe. Friends, see, this sweet is ready from cow's milk, and it is also known as kharvas. Really, it is also so better. Everyone, please try if you get cow's first milk. This is a Vestige colostrum capsules directly made from the cow milk. As the procedure you are seeing is, they also make it in the same way. After taking out the protein from the milk, they dry it up and form it into capsules. Colostrum capsules from Vestige. It is recommended to take 2 capsules a day. it is very difficult to get the cow's first milk. So instead of it, we can also use colostrum capsules, and its benefits I've already told you before. Benefits of colostrum. So you can also try these colostrum capsules. They are also really very healthy and perfectly made from the cow milk only. See, these are the capsule form of the Vestige colostrum capsules. You can enjoy this also.